In this lesson, we're going to start working with the complaint endpoint. So let's open this complaint endpoint inside the Postman. There you can see that this is a post request, and this request will take the following data in the JSON format. What I'm going to do is, I'll switch to the Visual Studio, and let's go to this add items in cart method. Let's copy this method and paste this method here. Now first of all, let's rename this method to register complaint. And this method will take the complaint object. Then in the serialize method, let's pass the complaint. Right after that, let's copy the URL of this endpoint and paste it here. That's all from this lesson. Now I will see you in the next section.